Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of my tech tips. Today our topic is regarding DirectX. I'm sure many of you gamers out there, or non-gamers, or whatever you do, you might be wondering what is DirectX. Well, DirectX is some kind of library that is used for some things in some applications, especially games. They require DirectX to run. DirectX consists of a few libraries that are located in your system folder. Some libraries that are installed in DLL files. More of that in Microsoft website. Anyway, some people have been asking, how do I find out which DirectX version am I running? Simple. All you have to do is we go down here in the search box and we type in DXDIAG, and so it is like DXDIAG. Actually, it refers to DirectX Diagnostics. What we have to do now is left click and start this application. This application is a system application which shows what is inside your system. For example, this computer right here, it has an OS of Windows 10 Home 64-bit and all the details, and here is how you get your DirectX version. Like mine is in DirectX 12, which is one of the most recent ones. I'm not sure if there's a new version, but there might be one coming soon with a new version of Windows. Usually DirectX come with new Windows versions, like for example during Windows 7 they have DirectX 11. Before that there was Windows Vista, they had DirectX 10, and with Windows XP we have DirectX 9 and etc. Anyway, I hope that it helps. That's all I have to say for today. I hope these tech tips are helpful to you. Thank you and goodbye.